Children, today we'll do grammar. It's very important part of grammar. It's again verb only. In which form we are going to take the verb in simple present tense or simple past tense or simple future tense. Tense means time. Tense means time. So today we are going to do simple present tense. Chapter 16, page number 74. Actions which are done often, usually, sometimes or every day. This is the simple present tense. Now see the chapter, page number 74. Tense are in three forms, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. The tense of a verb tells us when the action was done, when it is done and when it will be done. Means when the action was done, that is past tense. When it is done, present tense. And when it will be done, future tense. So present, past and future. Now the present tense shows the action of the time. There are different kinds of present tense. We are going to do today here is the simple present tense. We use simple present tense to show about the action which is done regularly. Father waters the plant every day. It is said that it is also used as universal truth, habitual truth. Now I am going to show you some examples. See to it very carefully. The moon shines at night. It is an habitual action that every night the moon shines. So what is the verb over here? Shine, chamakna. That is the verb. And when we add s to that verb, it becomes simple present tense for the habitual actions. The earth moves around the sun. Again, it is an habitual action, which is the verb over here, move. If we add s to the verb, it changes into simple present tense. A habitual action or an action that is done often, we have to add s to the original form of the verb. Suppose the original form is shine, you will add s, shines. If the original form is move, you will add s to the verb move. It will become simple present tense. He walks to the school every morning. Now you are adding s to the verb and it has become simple present tense. Every day he has the same habit of going to school by walk. Third is Sang sells fruits and drinks every afternoon. Sang is the name of a Chinese person. He sells fruits. So the verb here is sell. We are adding s to it and it has become simple present tense because his action is habitual and he does every day. And one more change which they will be showing you is that add ies, the original form of the verb, often of the verb. When the verb ends with y, you will change the y and make it into ies. Example, she studies hard every night so that she can pass her exam. Now study, the spelling is study. Now this y is changed into ies. You can't write study ys, studies. It is simple present tense. No. For these kind of words which are ending with y, you will add ies to the verb and it will become simple present tense. Add es to the original form of the verb when the verb ends with s, sh, ch or o. Like watch will change into watches. Okay, Tommy watches. Again, it's a simple present tense. He washes, word ending with sh. Again, you will add es, washes. It is simple present tense. Jessica crosses that road every day. Again, word is ending with double s. So we are adding es. So crosses is the simple present tense. My mother goes to the supermarket every Sunday. It's her habitual action. Every Sunday she goes to the supermarket. So the verb was go. We added es and changed it into simple present tense, goes. Now children, with this I think so hope you're clear. Universal truth means the earth moves around the sun, stars twinkle at night, the sun shines every day. Habitual actions means I take my exercise daily, she wakes up early in the morning, children play in the evening every day. Habitual action, जो action आपके habit में है और जो regular चलता है. So children, remember, simple present tenses used to talk about actions we do again and again. General statements, things that are always true, like the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. It's an universal truth. ऐसे नहीं होता, उल्टा नहीं होता. Moon shines at night. ऐसे नहीं होता कि moon shines in the daytime and sun shines at night. ऐसे नहीं होता है. So all the universal truths also simple present tense takes. Words like sometimes, often, daily, usually and every day are often used with this tense. Now root form of verb is used in simple present tense. रूट फॉर्म मतलब प्लेन जो वर्ब होता है, रन, सिट, जंप, वॉक, दे आर कॉल्ड द रूट फॉर्म. रूट फॉर्म कौन सा वर्ब होता है? जो नॉर्मल वर्ब होता है, जिसको हमने कोई EDS कुछ भी नहीं लगाया होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. So root form of the verb is used with simple present tense, like I, you, we, they, plural, they always take the root form. I run, you walk, we stand, they jump. Have you understood? So they are taking the root form of the verb. Now positive sentences, subject plus verb first form plus subject plus es plus object, like he plus the root form of the verb. जैसे he, run, run is the root form plus s, he runs. Okay. Second is she, let us take the root form of the verb jump, jump, and we are adding s to it, jumps. So have you understood? Positive sentence में ये ऐसे लगता है. Now children, you'll be getting an exercise. Choose the correct form from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Now on the next page, page number 76, we are going to do negative sentences. In this form of sentences, subject plus do, does plus not. Now you know very nicely negative sentence means sentence ending with no or not. Positive sentence means sentence ending with yes. No? So we are going to do negative sentence today. In the next chapter we will do positive sentence. Suppose in the singular form, first person, I do not know. Second person, you do not know. Third person, he doesn't know, she doesn't know, it doesn't know. Then in the plural form, we do not know. In the second person, you don't know. In the third person, they don't know. Now read the following sentences to understand the formation of positive sentence. अब इसी negative sentence को positive sentence भी उन्होंने आपको साथ में समझा दिया है. Suppose we play indoor games. इसका negative क्या होगा? No क्या होगा? We do not play indoor games. They want to want water. Negative, they do not want water. She sings well. Negative, she does not sing well. I eat mangoes. Negative, I do not eat mangoes. He eats junk food. He does not eat junk food. So, have you understood? The negative form means saying no to everything. जो भी आप yes बोलते हो, that is the positive form. When you say no, it is the negative form. Now, the last page is page number 77. To form a negative sentence, we have to with the subject we have to add do not plus form of the verb. Again, he, she, it, singulars plus does not plus the root form of the verb. This is how you can form a negative sentence. Now see the exercise here. Change the following into negative sentence. I know the route. I do not know the route. Or I don't know the route. The school gives us support. Negative, the school does not give us support. तो समझ में आ गया, not लग गया. So in this way we will be doing all the exercises, children. So I hope you have understood this. Simple present tense. It's an habitual action. It's an action which takes place regularly. It is a universal truth that the sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. These kind of things are called universal truth. The Taj Mahal is the seventh wonder of the world. Again, it's a universal truth. So these are kind of sentences are said to be simple present tense. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. God bless you.